In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can use sound equalizer in Windows 11. First things first, you want to make sure if your Windows is compatible for the sound equalizer. So just search for sound equalizer right here. If you don't see any application or setting, it's going to be totally fine. Just open up the Microsoft Store. And inside this page, you then want to search for an application called FX Sound. Install the application by tapping on the free version. After downloading, click on open. And basically from here, the application have very minimal setup. We have some general presets right here. So if you want to use your sound equalizer for something like movies, TVs, transcription, and more, you can just click it right here, click on the start button, and from there you will be able to start using sound equalizer in Windows 11. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.